Are these my whites or are these my colors? It's a mix. That's no good.
Because no surveys us while we work in the house.
Don't say racist. If your fingerprint lets you in, you get to come in.
Simplehuman, you just can't stay away from Simplehuman, can you?
Simplehuman. It's a fantastic name, Simplehuman. Things are very simple, but they make it so
Efficient.
fuck. And go on.
House. See.
Where was that? Simplehuman. Number one. I don't know what to tell you. That made me spend more money. I love the packaging. This one fell out. So excited. So excited. So excited. I think you're going, Bubba. So excited. So excited to meet you. Oh.
It looks very heavy duty.
Oh. X-frame copyright. Come on. Activate your warranty. I will. I will, Simple. Woo! Look how sick this is, man. Oh, I can live in here. Okay. 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 Work with me now. Work with me now. Okay. Oh, it's sick. Full disclaimer. I thought it was going to be a little bigger. But I think it's still bigger than the one we have now. Maybe it's taller. But it's definitely easier to do this and say, hey, I'll catch you later. I'm gonna go wash on my state-of-the-art machines.
Are you happy with your purchase?
I am. We wanted one. Oh, you know what?
I was gonna say, where's the Simplehuman tag?
Just give me 1 second.
I like how sleek it looks.
Sleek. It's extremely sturdy.
It goes with everything.
Like I'm not even gonna. And again, this right here, it's money. Goodbye.
Are these my whites or are these my colors? It's a mix.
That's no good. I just need to lock these up here. There it is. That's the Simplehuman click I was looking for. I ain't going there first. There's the Simplehuman click that I was looking for there. Ow!
Looks really good.
Doesn't it?
Hey gang, it's your boy doing the voiceover here. Gonna walk you guys through a couple Simplehuman products we got. The first here is the Odor Zorb Filter Kit. It is made for trash cans with a lid. It's supposed to be able to control odors because sometimes we be throwing stuff away that's a little stinky. So here what I'm highlighting is what they call a date wheel. Apparently each filter is good for about 3 months. So the wheel shows those 3 active months, which is pretty cool. So all you do here is you use the double-sided tape to apply the kit onto the lid of the trash can, so it's going to conceal all of the nastiness. The next item here is the microfiber sponge mitt. Super excited about this, very inexpensive. It is made specifically to clean stainless steel cans. So what you do is you wet one side, you give it a pass, make sure all the smudges, fingerprints are off. You flip it over and you buff it out, and it works fantastic. This thing was $5. Super unnecessary, cool, but pretty darn cool.
Real nice.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Look at this, because someone doesn't like using a key. You're gonna be touching,
First,
high-teching real hard.
I'm gonna text so hard today. First, I need some non-carbonation.
I'm pretty excited about our doorbell because of the spooky sounds it makes. It is pretty cool.
That was quite unexpected. That was an unexpected toss.
We'll play them on here, all the different ones.
Insert here. That's pretty cool.
I like that.
Do it again. That's pretty. Here you go. You want to come up? That's funny. Worth it.
And
It
you're
was
telling
already-
me we're not gonna give out candy? No, he has to.
He said, "What are you doing? Come on in or come on out."
No, he's telling you to come out.
That's pretty good.
I like it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm down. Oh, are they gonna have some for Christmas? You better
Yes.
believe it.
Yes.
Oh.
We're gonna be high teching soon.
Okay.
I don't have any money.
We're gonna get in.
What's up, champ?
He's like, what are y'all doing?
Daddy's making money. If your fingerprint, oh, we should play that game. If your fingerprint lets you in, you get to come in.
Stupid.
13 steps.
Handsome boy, you gonna want some pasta?
Pasta?
He looked at it. He said, is it ready?
I mean, let's hit it. Come on.
Oh my god, it's happening. I'm over here gonna drink this truly while my husband works hard. Because no cervezas while we work in the house.
Don't say racist, unfortunately.
You may have a cerveza after you're done. If you do a good job, you may have one. And that's how you end up with short blame. That 350,000 people saw. Gilbert, what is it like to be a celebrity on TikTok when you're not even on TikTok?
We're all just having fun, huh? Okay, dilemma 1, YouTube audience. It tells me to drill a 7/16 hole. 7/16. I don't have a 7/16 drill bit.
Do you want to go ask our neighbor if she has one?
Oh, I mean, these are fucking standard drill bits if they're found in here. I have a 7/64.
Tell me more about your dilemma. Oh, it smells good.
That has to be big enough for the whole shaft, right? This is what I'm gonna do, because you can't cut back. I'm gonna go small. You have to always drill a pilot hole, I think.
Why not?
Why
It's
not?
Like nobody. It's not like anybody's gonna see it.
For such a novice handyman.
Oh, on a
On a
Sabado Gigante.
Sabado Gigante.
Oh, it lit up. It says there's somebody in here.
That's pretty cool, man. We got a template. Tells me where to drill. This is what my brain is telling me to do. Let's rock on.
Oh, look. How much are doors? That's a real question.
They're not cheap because they're what?
Yeah, I know.
It's not what I needed right now.
Okay.
Just by-
I'm just trying to see if it's in our budget.
No, it's not.
Oh shit.
Oh, smell it?
Does it smell like the cabinet?
It's like maple.
Oh, it smells good.
It smells like whenever you like mess with a tree and it pusses. Pusses. I went through, baby. This one's dope because it lets you like, it moves it up and down. So if my eyes failed me, then I have,
Room too. Yeah.
Did my eyes fail me? I mean, I followed the instructions. Oh my God.
That was 0 to 100 real quick.
Everybody okay?
Pimp in distress.
Donna! Man, I'm stressed. Am I interrupting my wife on her TikToks?
Yes. But I forgive you. Good.
Well, putting it down to 1 because we're not drilling. We're not drilling the hole. The hole's there already. We're just
We're
expanding.
just kind of making it bigger. Oh, I see it. Come on.
That looks hot. Doesn't that look hot?
Yeah, that's way better.
On the fucking subject, I don't know who I pissed off, but they gave us the jankiest doorknobs. Look, they're all stained and jacked up.
I need to pay attention to that.
Dude, it's all jacked up.
Maybe they figured that everybody changes them anyway.
It's a dangerous assumption in this world, wife. Technically, we bought those door handles.
It's
Right?
true.
All right, step one. I think that was the hardest thing that I wanted to do. Am I proud of myself? I'm proud of my DeWalt brushless 20 volt
Okay.
drill and my titanium drill bits that apparently 7/16 isn't a standard bit. This is what I think. I think it's a different metric. So 7/16 should be equivalent to a quarter. Now again, I'm not a mathematician, nor do I know these measurements, so. Why don't you have a laser, Woody?
I just saw an anomaly pass by.
Excuse me?
You're letting in the anomalies. It just went.
No, it's dust, sweetie.
Oh, debunked.
Zach. Play me like this when I'm in here and the streets open to me?
Well, that's why I thought you were letting them in.
No.
You are not welcome here.
Most definitely not. Alright, dilemma number 2. The screws that came with the door handle, they just stopped screwing in.
What the hell?
Like it just doesn't go anymore. If I use the ones with the old door handle, it might work. But I don't know how that's gonna look. There's screws specifically for the knob that are like flat, right? So it can look flat. The screw head. But these don't work. I mean, they just stop turning at some point.
They don't look like. I mean, they look like they go.
Because it's supposed to be flat.
Oh, gee. Okay, see you when you come home.
It's not bad.
Okay. Definitely looks better.
Okay then.
What happened, bebe? Did you think Daddy was out? No. Are you gonna help him?
Just over here.
Why are you so cute?
Very nice.
What is that for? Oh, you got a sticker on your butt. Get it. Oh, he was trying to get it. Don't tell me you want Daddy to feed you. Or he just wants to pinch you. He has to have the right scene.
Just real quick. I'm almost
What's up, dude?
It's time for the ball.
There you go. I cannot wait to get rid of that. And the bell of the ball.
The bell of the ball has made an appearance. I think this one is less generic of a door handle, so.
Cerradura inteligente.
For an interaction. Step.
He's so concerned. He's like, what are you doing? Daddy, what are you doing? Does Gideon get a fingerprint?
If you love me, yeah.
Look, look, look. Did you see that? He's like this. He's like this.
You can use your fingerprint correct, I know.
Yes.
Revolutionary.
Yes. So you can get the door. Yep, that finger right there. So you can look. So you can get it while Daddy has the groceries. Yeah. Yep. Let's do that. It's Saturday. We're partying.
I'm trying to get some trulies in me.
What's dope about it?
That they're just steps, right? There's 1 through 5, and then there's a box for each step. So step 1.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Concerning that the thing is out. Is it a one-time in?
Oh. Don't be taking steps. Don't be getting ahead with the steps.
It just won't come out. It's like once it's in.
Maybe it's saying it's in the right spot. And this child is a blessing.
To the both of us.
You get it. Oh, he jacked you. He jacked you. Give it to Daddy. Give it to Baba. Good job. He's gonna give it to you. Is this where it starts?
Where's the little screw bag, Bubba?
He had it. You just put it in. This is how it starts. They want to be involved because they can't. And then when they can, they're nowhere to be found.
Oh, they'll come back in, please.
It's okay. Who's out there? Don't worry, we're gonna catch him on camera. With spooky sounds. I'm watching you.
Bubba. There's bugs out there, Bubba. I don't know, some of them can be mosquitoes.
Handsome boy, come in here. Yeah.
Is
Be careful with your fingers.
thanks, Butters. Okay. These are thick rolls, I tell you. Yeah, you're helping? Maybe I should read ahead.
Thought that's what you were doing.
Kind of. You know, this is the Winging It channel. I got a child on my leg over here. Right, you got it. One of them's probably a little crooked. Maybe this one needs to be pushed a little bit. But those were just all fine tunage. I mean, toss these in the trash. We won't need them.
And it's gonna start malfunctioning.
Hey, don't put that bad juju.
And you're gonna be like, where are the keys? And I'm gonna say, you told me to throw them in the trash.
Don't put that bad juju on us. Dang. Step 4 for my step 4 box. It's very light. Fighting for permanent work from home. But they're just not going for it.
It looks so weird.
Does
Like as a house-like thing.
I don't know what that means. You may need to rotate the turnkeys to align with the turnkey shaft.
Oh,
Come on in.
the water's fine.
Come on in.
Oh,
Come on in.
the water's fine.
Come on in. Yeah.